Why doesn't Python have multiline comments? Okay, I'm aware that triple quote strings can serve as multiline comments. For example, and. But technically speaking, these are strings, correct? I've Googled and read the Python style guide, but I was unable to find a technical answer to why there is no formal implementation of multiline type of comments. I have no problem using triple quotes, but I am a little curious as to what led to this design decision.
I doubt you'll get a better answer then. Guido didn't feel the need for multi-line comments. Guido has tweeted about this. Python tip: you can use multi-line strings as multi-line comments. Unless used as doc strings, they generate no code. Smile.
Multi-line comments are easily breakable. What if you have the following in a simple calculator program? Try to comment that with a multi-line comment. Oops, your string contains the end comment delimiter.
Triple quoted text should not be considered multi-line comments. By convention, they are doc strings. They should describe what your code does and how to use it, but not for things like commenting out blocks of code. According to Guido, multi-line comments in Python are just contiguous single-line comments. Search for block comments. To comment blocks of code, I sometimes use the following pattern.
This likely goes back to the core concept that there should be one obvious way to do a task. Additional comment styles add unnecessary complications and could decrease readability.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.